If you want to customize the lock screen on Google Pixel 10, you just have to open Settings and then go to Wallpaper and Style. Now over here, make sure that the lock screen is visible, so you can scroll down here in order to find customization options. For example, you can change the clock, you can use a different font over here or a different face. There we go, as you can see we have a bunch of different options. You can also change the color, so for example, instead of using the theme color, you can switch to something of your own choice. You can also, I'm not sure what is this slider for, but in that case we cannot do anything with it. Maybe if we switch, yeah. There is also the width as well in some cases by using certain fonts, maybe just this one. Yeah, apparently just this one. And there is also the size, of course, so we can make it smaller if you want to. But that is essentially it in terms of the clock. We can tap apply over here in order to save it. There are also shortcuts. So over here we have the left and right shortcut. So we can assign something to have a quicker access to certain features from this list. And we can press apply in order to save it. There is also an option for notifications on the lock screen, so you can manage that here as well. We can go to more lock screen settings in order to find some additional options like the text on lock screen. We can show device controls. We have the dynamic clock now playing and some other stuff here. And if you want to change the wallpaper, then of course over here we have our wallpapers. You can also tap on more wallpapers in order to try to change it. So for example, if I go to textures, I can choose one of these. Let's say I can pick this one up. And then if I press next, I should be able to set it just for the lock screen. We can uncheck the home screen if you don't want to change it for the lock screen, and we can press apply in order to use it. And there we go. That should be it. So thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe.